it's Claire at Diamond Painting Nerd and welcome to another video. I thought I'd film this one. I've placed an order with Joanns and it's brilliant because they ship to the UK, which is fantastic. Now, I had a quick look on there. I thought, oh, I wonder if they do any diamond paintings. Please excuse my nails. I need to go and get them redone, so please don't stare at my nails. So yeah, I had a look and I was pleasantly surprised to see that they did Diamond Dots, but they also do Diamond Art Club. Now, I have ordered 2 Diamond Art Club kits from Joanns. They had 30% off for kits at the time, plus 25% off for new customers. So I lapped that deal up. I'm waiting for the Diamond Art Club one still to arrive, but the my order for my Diamond Dots ones have come. So I ordered 2. And I didn't realise the Star Wars one was quite so small, but we'll have a look at that. So first of all, I got the Jack and Sally, and these are licensed, these ones. So this is a Disney Jack and Sally, and I think, is the size on this? Oh, okay, so it says the fabric size is 14 by 17 inches or 35 by 43 centimeters ish without the points, and the design size is 27 by 35 centimeters, and that's 11 by 14 inches. So let's get into this and have a little look at what you get in the kit. So it feels very, very light, so I don't think there's going to be much to it. And I think, from memory, I think this is a partial, which I've not done any partials yet. So, yeah, this is why it's so light. There's hardly anything here. So we'll take a look at the canvas first of all. Yeah, it's that scratchy. I mean, it is sealed. It's actually stitched all the way around the edge to seal it as well. So this is rolled up really tight. So I'm going to have to give this a little roll back on itself. You can tell the canvas feels nice, but it's not smooth on the back. It's not soft. It's quite scratchy, but you can tell it is still a premium canvas. Especially with those pinked edges and the stitched and pinked edges to seal it all in. Okay, this is probably going to be the best that I'm going to be able to get it to lie flat. Yeah, it's a partial kit, so the plastic covering on it is nice and thick. I really hate the ones that are really thin and flimsy. So that's good. So yeah, we've got this checkerboard pattern in the background, which is just the printed background, and then we have the area with Jack and Sally. I think they're sitting on a tombstone. This will be where the glue is. Yeah, glue's nice and sticky, so I don't have an issue with that. So this shouldn't really take that long at all, because it's only a small one. Now, I have noticed that the legend is top and bottom, which I much prefer if it is. And these are all symbols. Oh, there's a couple of letters in there, but these are mostly all symbols, and they have serial number and DD number. Now, those do not correspond to DMC, so I wonder, there must be something out there. Actually, I might have read somewhere that there's a conversion where you can convert Diamond Dots numbers to DMC codes. So I'll have to have a look at that. If not, I won't keep the drills. There doesn't seem to be that many in here anyway. Oh, so also, let me just check what this was. This is just instructions, I think. This came tightly rolled up. Yeah, so this is just instructions in many different languages. Yeah, we know how to diamond paint, so that can go in the recycling. Okay, so let's have a little look at the diamonds, the drills, and also it looks like the toolkit's in here as well. So let's pull all of that out. There is the name of the canvas on the pack, which is great because I store my drills separate to my canvas. So the the toolkit first of all. Let's see what's in here. I've not had a Diamond Dotz kit to know what you actually get. So we have a standard pen, like a white glittery one or a see-through glittery one, with a purple squishy. I don't use these personally, but yeah, it's there. And so we've got a straightener, and we've also got a multi-placer, but this multi-placer looks to be one of the older, thicker styles. I'll have to try it out actually. Let me just double check. Yeah, I think it's one of the older, thicker ones. So I probably won't be using that because it will drive me nuts. We've got some grip seal bags. We've got a little grey tray, and then we've got, I love it when everything's branded, a little pot there with a just a single piece of wax, which should be plenty to be able to complete this anyway, because like I said, it's only a partial, and it's quite a small one. So yeah, so let me just pop all of that back in the bag, and then we'll take a look at the drills. So here are the drills. So we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 colours. This is probably the least amount I've ever worked with, so this will be interesting. So we'll take a look at the drills. So this is a round drill. I believe that Diamond Dotz do square drills as well, but I'm not 100% sure on that because I haven't seen any square drill sets, but or kits, should I say. But we have what I believe will probably be their equivalent of 310. So we have black, grey, like a lighter grey. Then we have red, which might be 666. We have an orangey yellow, a pink, a darker grey, a teal, a mint, and then a white. Oh, we've got a hitchhiker in there. Now, one thing I noticed as well is there are tiny little holes in these packets, and that is actually meant to help with the static. So we'll have to see what happens when I come to kit these up. I noticed actually some of the packets are sealed straight, and those ones are actually sealed on the diagonal. So whether that's just a manufacturing thing or not, I don't know. But yeah, that is this super duper small, quick, probably very easy kit to complete. I'm not going to put it back in the box because I want it to be out so it can relax. And then we'll have a look at this one. So I bought this because my husband is a massive Star Wars fan, and I thought I could either make it for him or I could see if he is interested in making it himself. Now, I have posed the question and asked him. I said, you know, I bought this. Do you want to, you know, you could sit and do that with me. And he said, maybe. So potentially. So let's have a look at the canvas first of all. As I said, I didn't actually realise this was so small. When I saw the Jack and Sally one, I thought that I assumed that this would probably be the same size. But looking at the box, this is actually 8.7 inches by 12.2, which is 22 by 31 centimetres. So it's not a very big one at all, and it's a partial. So this is probably a great kit for him to do anyway, because it's small and it's a partial. So again, I'm just going to roll, hang on, I'm going to roll this back the other way. Nope. This way. It's weird because it feels like it was rolled two different ways, because it sort of curls this way and this way, so I'm a bit confused. Okay. So again, this is licensed. This is Star Wars licensed. I mean, the only benefit of this size is the fact that it's really easy to get hold of a frame for it. So yeah, I think that this kit should be done fairly quickly. And I've noticed that the it says Camelot Dotz, so I wonder if Diamond Dotz are now Camelot Dotz or if they've been bought out. I don't know, but I did notice that some things said Camelot Dotz and some said Diamond Dotz. This says Camelot Dotz, powered by Diamond Dotz. So I'm not too sure what the situation is there. Anyway, we have the Legend top and bottom. I think this is even less colours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh gosh, there's 9 colours in this. Wow. Yeah, so he should be good. And I might even make, if he is going to do it, I might make him kit up and I'll film it. And you can talk away. He probably won't talk away, he's quite shy. But I can, I see if he wants to come on and do a kitting up video. Same toolkit as the other one, apart from there's no multi-placer in this one and no straightener. It's just the pen, squishy, wax tray and zip grill. Grip seal bags. Goodness me. Okay, let's take a look at the drills. So, as I said, there are only 9 colours in this. So we have 2 greys, although they do look very similar in colour. We have like a lemon yellow. We have a darker grey, sunshine yellow. We have an orange, another grey, or more like a taupey grey, a bright orange, and then a white. So yeah, this is not going to take long at all to complete this. And as I said, it's probably a really good idea for him as a first project if I can convince him to do it. So those are the 2 Diamond Dotz kits that I picked up from Joann. These also had 30% off plus the 25% new customer discount. So I grabbed these along with the Diamond Art Club ones. So thanks very much for joining me for today's unboxing. I hope you've enjoyed looking at these Diamond Dotz kits that I've picked up, and they may well feature in a video going forwards with me completing them, or I might just sit on the sofa actually and finish this one because it probably won't take long. So yes, thank you very much for joining me today. As always, if you wouldn't mind giving the video a thumbs up, it really does help my channel reach other people to find all this goodness. And also subscribe if you're new, hit the bell notification so you know when I next upload, and drop a comment down below if you fancy it, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye.